So here we have my National HRO 50T photo fact user's guide and information and manual. What I'm going to attempt to do is show you guys how to do a basic RF alignment. So what I did is download the manual, read the entire manual, got familiar with it. As you remember from my previous videos, what I did with my National, I went ahead and here it is. I'm just show you real quick what I've done. That's the back side. So what I've done is I replaced the capacitors, resistors, got it up and working, cleaned up everything. So everything's nice and working, power's on. So now we're going to go through the alignment process. So here is the information. Here is all the stuff we need from the manual. So if you're going to do this yourself, make sure you download the manual, familiarize yourself with where things are at. And here is the outline of the receiver. You know, it tells you what points or what capacitors you're going to be twisting and turning to get to the alignment process. So I got my manual, I got the outline, I got all the points that we're going to be touching and cleaning up. And this is the instructions on what we need to do. So we'll come back to this later and I'll give you more details as far as what we're needing to do and the process. Like I said, we're doing it just a basic, simple IF alignment. Nothing special, no fancy equipment. I'm going to use my, if you see up here, we're bringing you up here, we're going to use my HP signal generator and a frequency counter to keep mark the signal. So this radio, the National HRO 50, uses a set frequency of 455 kc. So this signal generator and a frequency counter to start. That's all I'm going to use, and a voltmeter, an AC voltmeter. I'll show you in a bit. So this is the instructions. Now what I want to show you is this neat alignment toolkit. I'm not sure where I got this, but it's been with me for over 15, 20 years. And let me show you, this is a really neat kit. I haven't seen a kit like this before. So this is an alignment toolkit. GC Electronics. I don't know if they still make these, or most likely they don't, but it's very neat. It has all the tools you ever will need for an alignment. It's heavy duty, non-metallic plastic little screwdriver that you're going to be using. We're going to be using this, and we're going to be using this. What I did is I taped the metal, because I don't want the metal to be touching anything. I hate using metal to do any alignment, but to starters, I want to make sure we use this first and then go back and use one of the tools, to a non-metallic tool to align. So this is all the toolkit that it comes with. So this is really neat. It has one of these interesting, let me see, interesting, can you see? A heavy duty for those stubborn. See, look at this. But once again, it's metal, and I hate using the metal one. Here's the plastic one. So if you can get your hands on one of these kits, well worth it. I don't remember how much I paid for this. And like I said, this is about 15, 20 years old. These plastic ones right here They're not flimsy. I have some other ones that are very flimsy you buy off eBay, and I'm not sure what the dealio is with this curved one. But yeah, I purchased some on eBay and they're just very flimsy. This is a very heavy duty plastic. And some little small ones in there. Same thing with this. Come on, focus. Well, you get the gist of it. So yeah, before we do the alignment, I want to show you my tools. The tools I'm going to be using to align the national receiver. Okay, so got my tools ready. Got the instructions ready. Focus. Got my instructions ready, my tools ready. And we'll have fun and try to see if we can align this National HRO 50 using basic, a signal generator, and a frequency counter and see how it goes. Okay guys, talk to you soon. Thanks.